Thinking of downloading the latest upgrade for your computer? Be careful, as 2 Works For You problem solver Pete Knutson tells us you could open your computer up to ransomware that'll hold your files hostage.
Beware. Scammers are hoping to trick folks into downloading ransomware using an email that promises an upgrade to Windows 10. Chelsea called to tell us, "I'm anxious to use Windows 10 on my computer. When I received an email saying an upgrade was ready, I downloaded the attached file. Apparently, someone took control of my computer and told me I had to pay $500 or they'd destroy all the information on my computer." Chelsea fell victim to one of the Windows 10 schemes running rampant right now. Some of the scam emails look like this. If you download a file, open an attachment, or click on a link, you'll probably see a warning telling you your files have been encrypted, locked up, and they're being held hostage. If you don't pay up within 96 hours, the crooks say they'll permanently delete everything on your computer. So be warned. Microsoft says it is not upgrading computers to Windows 10 through email. When your upgrade is ready, you'll see the Windows 10 icon in the system tray. Bottom line, be suspicious of any unsolicited email asking you to log in and fix your account, and those with attachments or web links. If you don't recognize or trust the sender, don't open the email, and certainly don't open any attachments. Your best bet? Just delete it. Pete Knutson, 2 Works For You.